Hello everyone! In the construction industry, speed and quality are two crucial factors. However, there is one person, a construction worker, who has emerged as an icon of agility and talent. Let's explore the world of construction workers, individuals for whom time and perfection are no longer obstacles. Let's get it on. How can he stack the bricks so nicely? These workers are very smart to come up with a way to transport the perfect stone tiles. I really like to see what will happen when a gust of wind gets hold of this. I need a professional painter like this to paint my house roof. Work becomes easier when this girl has years of experience. He's working out with cement bags. Thanks to good tools and machinery, polishing concrete rods becomes simpler. Can you just show me the machine I'm looking for? Where and how can I buy it? Our girls, let's try to work like that. I think they should paint the wall back to white. It will look better. If your roof needs to be painted, call this guy right away. Perfect skills. I don't know how much they paid to hire this craftsman. He can lay the entire staircase by himself. It's really impressive and makes me want to find a seat and watch him work. It's amazing how quickly the foam rises. I think they're producing a mountain of cement. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Even the working style of the girl is better than that of many people. Let me know how long you've been working as a construction worker. This guy must have years of experience with cutting concrete. He has done it perfectly. You can see what a man can earn from an hour, not from a brick. I have never seen a girl walk so gracefully. Indian masons build houses very professionally and skillfully. With simple tools, the mason was able to level the foundation. Never seen anything like this before. People learn new things just by watching others with good skills work. Is this wall all concrete? Isn't there any steel reinforcement inside? I don't know why they do it like that, because I study architecture and so I'm learning every day. His work is perfect when cutting corrugated iron roofing sheets. If you don't know where to find a plasterer, contact him right away. This guy must have strong hands to do this job, right? Rest assured that you won't spend too much time on this. This guy has wasted too much time arranging bricks.
बिहार का भी स्पेशल आदमी कर पाएगा.
With her swift work, the wall was completed in no time. These two construction workers cooperated perfectly with each other.
Nailed it.
I'm worried about him because he could fall at any time.
Go for three.
Why aren't they wearing masks when working? Maybe they too used to this environment. With great skills, she can finish plastering a wall within 30 seconds. This machine is very useful for construction workers. I worry he might get glass shards stuck in him. It seems interesting until he does it every day. These workers are tirelessly dedicated to their work. Where can we find this equipment in the US? Rest assured that you won't spend too much time on this. This is how. Do you know how he can work on those two stilts? Does it make the road more prone to cracks when subjected to heavy loads? Please leave a comment. They can do this in times of victory to end the flood. This guy can think of a professional way to level concrete using a crane truck. Just give him the right tools and he will complete the job perfectly. It's unbelievable that he can smooth concrete with such a long broom. Do you know the price of this machine? Please let me know, as I'm interested in buying. This guy must have years of experience in the construction industry to do that. I think it will be difficult to find a replacement for someone as skilled and nimble as him. I've never seen this before, but I want one for cutting meal sheets at home. Cooperation in work and helping each other like this will make things better for everyone. Wow, can you stack bricks like him? He's truly talented.
He didn't drop a one.
Construction teams looking for professional workers should contact him. These construction workers work evenly and understand each other. I think he must excel in geometry to be so precise. This is the playground of the construction workers. Can I be recruited to do this job? This is the manual bricklaying process of foreign workers, extremely laborious and challenging. This construction worker works professionally, seriously, and achieves high efficiency. Since when did roofing become so easy like this? With the help of a glue bottle, he quickly and perfectly lays the bricks. I really know about that, but he does his job very well. These guys work like a well-coordinated team, understanding each other perfectly. This guy is a construction expert, working smartly. Can someone let me know what material they use to make it shine so brightly? It's great to see a skilled craftsman making it look so effortless. This guy is transforming the wall into something beyond perfection, like an art masterpiece. Is he cutting concrete or smoothing it? On the path to success, construction workers have proven that there are no limits we cannot overcome. With dedication and passion, they have achieved remarkable accomplishments and left a mark in the construction industry. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Goodbye and see you again soon.